Hey, what's up all? Thanks so much for tuning back in. So recently I sent my brother out to the driving range to check out the WOSPORTS H-100 AG rangefinder. Now, if you are a golfer or do any other type of sports where you're looking to find the distance of whatever you're playing, this could be great to carry with you. So first we're going to take a look in the bag here. You see it comes with this really great carrying case, which I'll show you more in a second. Also has the getting started guide and a lens cleaning cloth because you want to make sure that lens is perfectly clean to make sure the distance and range is registering properly. So right there is the included battery with it, and then also in the box we do have the wrist strap, which makes it really great, you know, just to carry around and do whatever you need to. So that's pretty much what's in the box. But check out this bag. This is a really high quality carrying case for it. It has, you know, really good durability to it, so it's going to keep the rangefinder nice and protected. And then on the back you saw the little clip, so it can clip right onto your golf bag.
It's really nice because they have a magnetic latch on this case, just making it nice and easy to close up.
So here's the rangefinder. It's got that classic golf black and white here on the H100. Not a lot of things to it. No, it's not going to record to a SD card, or, it's not a camera. All it is going to act as a rangefinder. So on the bottom, we do have a tripod mount. So if you have a tripod that you want to bring with you, you can always do that. It's a standard tripod screw, so that's really great. And then you can, also add on that wrist strap that we saw before. So right there, you get the little wrist strap hole, so you can just put that through and attach the wrist strap if you want to use that. And then inside here, just snap that open. That's going to be actually the battery compartment where that's going to slide into. And like I said, those batteries are pretty easy to get, like $4 each or so. So if you need to replace it, you can easily do that. But this thing turns on and off really quickly, so it's probably not going to consume tons of battery power. So that is a real advantage right there. I also sent them out to the range to actually try it.
So the H100 is a tournament legal golf rangefinder, giving you some different options for measuring either slope or no slope. You have anywhere from 500 to 800 yards that it can measure with an accuracy of about 1 yard. So you're going to get really accurate information. It is super fast and super easy to focus on whatever you're looking to get that measurement on. And by using something like this, it's really going to help to make sure that you're selecting the best club.
Really easy to use. You have the two buttons there on top. One is the power button, and then the other one will switch through some different modes. But you can see the distance. He's just picking it up. You see how fast that picked up?
It's going to give you a little vibration. Some other great things is it is water resistant. So even if it starts to drizzle out there on the course or at the range, you really don't have to worry about anything like that.
When he puts this down, I mean, it literally takes a few seconds and it will shut back off. But also to power up, it is super quick. So you press that button, it turns on maybe within a second. And the great thing is, like I said, maybe you can buy one of those other batteries just to have it with you if you need to. But from what he said, he used it a few days and had no problem or seen any degradation to the battery life. So that is something really great. Otherwise, if you're looking to really check out your distance and see how your performance is, then this H100 AG rangefinder from WOSPORTS would probably be a great addition to keep with you on your bag, or just take with you in the car, wherever you're going, just to keep up on your game. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.